One stock jumped 5.8% today and outpaced several large caps. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In 6 minutes, you'll get the top movers, why they moved, and key levels. Nifty 50 closed at 23,306 rupees 45, up 1.72% from the previous close of 22,912 rupees 4. The index opened at 23,064 rupees 4, traded as high as 23,465 rupees 35, and as low as 23,063 rupees 2. On the technical side, the 14-day RSI sits at 44.8, which is neutral, not overbought or oversold. The short-term moving averages show a mild bearish tilt. The 9-day EMA at 23,281 rupees is below the 20-day EMA at 23,832 rupees, indicating short-term pressure. Volume was reported as normal versus the 20-day average, so there was no extreme participation spike today. Immediate resistance to watch is at 23,862 rupees, and support sits near 22,955 rupees. The index remains 11.6% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2, which was set 54 sessions ago. Overall, the market rallied today with selective strength, but technicals still suggest some caution in the near term as the short-term EM alignment remains slightly bearish. Shriram Finance opened at 919 rupees 0 and finished at 956 rupees 0, rising 5.8% from the prior close of 903 rupees 6. The stock made an intraday high of 965 rupees 0 and a low of 917 rupees 3. There was no company-specific news in the data set, but volume came in at 1.59 times the 20-day average, which suggests stronger buying interest today. Technically, the 9-day EMA at 956 rupees is below the 20-day EMA at 988 rupees, a short-term bearish alignment, and the RSI at 45.8 is neutral, so momentum is not overheated. For traders, watch the near resistance at 1029 rupees. A decisive break with follow-through volume would favor further upside, and the support level around 934 rupees for risk management. Next up, we turn to a consumer heavyweight that also showed solid gains. Titan Company opened at 3950 rupees 0 and closed at 4039 rupees 3, up 3.59% from a previous close of 3899 rupees 5. The intraday high was 4097 rupees 0 and the low was 3940 rupees 5. No clear corporate trigger appears in the data, but volume ran at 1.55 times the 20-day average, indicating above-average participation likely drove the move. On technicals, the 9-day EMA at 4034 rupees remains below the 20-day EMA at 4100 rupees, a short-term bearish signal, while the RSI at 47 stays neutral. Key levels. Immediate resistance sits near 4150 rupees, and short-term support is at 4084 rupees. Traders can watch whether the stock holds that support on any pullback. With consumer demand signals mixed but buying evident, let us see how the materials sector responded. Grasim Industries opened at 2561 rupees 8 and closed at 2647 rupees 8, gaining 3.86% on the day from a previous close of 2549 rupees 4. The stock reached an intraday high of 2668 rupees 4 and a low of 2561 rupees 8. There was no specific news noted in the provided data. Yet volume was 1.42 times the 20-day average, suggesting increased activity supported the rise. The 9-day EMA at 2627 rupees is below the 20-day EMA at 2683 rupees, which indicates a short-term bearish trend still in place despite today's bounce, and the RSI at 49.1 is neutral. Important levels to monitor are resistance near 2733 rupees and support at 2645 rupees. A sustained move above 2733 rupees on stronger volume would be constructive. That wraps the individual movers. Now a quick market summary and what to watch next. Today's theme was selective buying. The Nifty gained 1.72%, while pockets of higher volume drove standout performance in Shriram Finance, Titan Company, and Grasim Industries. Technicals are mixed. The index, and these stocks show neutral RSI readings, but short-term EM as remain below their 20-day averages, so momentum is cautious. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. First, whether NIFTY can clear the immediate resistance at 23,862 rupees with better volume. Second, how each stock behaves around its key levels: Shriram Finance at 1029, rupees Titan Company at 4150, rupees and Grasim Industries at 2733 rupees. If those levels break with volume, follow-through could matter. If you found this useful, please like the video, drop the stock on your watch list in the comments, and subscribe for daily market breakdowns. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.